Welcome to my automation portfolio. I'm Sahar Marie Chris M., and I'll be guiding you through a key automation project today. Project managers often lose valuable time on manual note-taking. This AI-driven workflow is designed to automate post-meeting tasks, saving you up to 10 hours per week and ensuring no action item is missed. By integrating this workflow, you can focus on leadership and decision-making instead of transcribing every word. It enhances team alignment and communication accuracy without the manual heavy lifting. The workflow is built on make.com and features 6 key steps. These steps automate the entire post-meeting process, from capturing inputs to drafting follow-up emails. Let's explore each step in detail. The process begins with a Jotform that captures 3 essential inputs: the meeting title, project name, and full transcript. Submitting this form automatically triggers the entire workflow, standardizing data collection. Next, the system retrieves an AI prompt stored in a Google Doc. This document guides how the transcript is analyzed and formatted, allowing you to easily adjust the summary style without changing the automation. This slide shows a sample of the detailed prompt structure. It covers meeting information, discussion summaries, action items, and next steps, ensuring the AI output is comprehensive and well organized. The prompt and transcript are sent to Google Gemini or your preferred large language model. The AI processes the content to produce a customized summary, including key decisions and action items. The generated summary is automatically placed into a new Google Doc. This document acts as the single source of truth for the meeting, centralizing all relevant details, decisions, and action items. Here is an example of the final output summary, detailing meeting information, decisions made, key takeaways, and a prioritized action items table. The workflow automatically configures the document's sharing settings using Google Drive. This ensures your team gains immediate access, eliminating delays caused by access requests and ensuring alignment. Finally, a Gmail draft is created automatically. It includes a short introductory message and the direct link to the summary document, allowing you to review, edit, and send the email for consistent communication. This is a sample of the automated email draft. It's ready to send, including the meeting title, a brief message, and the shareable link. The flexibility of this workflow means it can be used for any meeting type. Simply submit the details, adjust the prompt as needed, and the system handles the rest, improving project communication and saving valuable time. Imagine transforming your workflow by spending less time on admin and more time leading. I'm ready to explore implementation and run a demo of this AI-assisted solution in your environment.